1, 2, or 1, 2, 3, 4. Troubadour, I know that you've been here before. Ain't no cure for restless man. Came to run from your bad reputation, to sleeping wherever you're at, to state you in tonight that you get into a fight. The more drunk you were, the less sweet. I call you on the phone, but you were never alone, and you drove to and fro when you speak. Down the road where you need to go, but I need you to understand, there ain't no home when there is no cure. There's no good rambling man. Go down the road and go where you need to go, but I need you to understand, there ain't no home when there is no cure for no good rambling man. Well, hi there, pluckers. I have a Sore Fingers again with you with a song from Bryan's new album called, and the song's called No Cure. Okay, the album's called American Heartbreak. Okay, standard tuning, no capos, doing it in the same key as Bryan recorded the song in. Okay, so basically this song has only got 4 chords in it. They're all fairly straightforward chords. There's an F, a C, a G and an A minor, and that's it. Okay, now I was playing a 4-fingered F. You can play whichever sort of F you like, like a simple straightforward F, an F bar chord, or a 4-fingered F like I was playing, where the simple F, the 3rd finger goes up to the 5th string on the 3rd fret, pinky taking over on the 3rd fret on the 4th string, and I was playing a 4-fingered C, or C with G in the bass, which is a basic C chord with again this 3rd finger going up to the bottom E string on the 3rd fret and the pinky taking over on the 5th string on the 3rd fret. Okay, I'm playing sort of a G like that. I mean, you could play a standard G looking like that, but I play a backward, what I call reverse G like that, and an A minor, straightforward A minor. Okay, now the hard thing about this song is the strumming. Okay, it's like dun to the lun to the lun to the lun dun to the lun to the lun to the lun. Okay, so it's okay. So I'll try and slow that down for you to try and show you what I'm doing. So it's even slower. Or even slower maybe. Okay, so that's it for the verses. Okay, so it's so you do 2 lots of that. So you go 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the intro. Start singing. Lone and lonely troubadour, I know that you've been here before, but there ain't no cure for a restless man. You came into the run for your bad reputation, sleeping wherever you went. I'll stake you in tonight and give you get into a fight. You're more drunk than you were last week. You on the phone jaws don't close when you speak. And at that point we go into the chorus, and it's simple because it goes, she said run, you just go into single strum chords, okay? So it's run down the road, go where, C, you know where you need to go, but I, G, need to, you understand. It's all single strokes, okay? She said, run down the road, go where you need to go, but I need you to understand. There ain't no home and there is no cure for a no good rambling man. And then you're off again. Okay, you got the idea? Got the idea? So it goes, she said, run down the road, go where you need to go, but I need you to understand. There ain't no home and there is no cure for the no good rambling man. And off into another verse, okay? And that's all there is in it, just verses and choruses, okay? And the choruses are all just single strums. Same chord sequence, F, C, G, A minor. Same chord sequence as the verse, but no strumming, just single sweeps, okay? Well, there it was, girls. Short and sweet lesson for you, okay? So the hardest thing on this is the strumming, trying to keep it going, and then when you do start getting it going, trying to sing across it. It's even more fun. Well, there you have it, boys and girls. I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.